Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, everyone. I will explain about chemical kinetics. Before that, let me introduce myself first. My name is Ahmad Milan with NPM 33342200010. I'm from Sultan Agung Tirtayasa University with metallurgy engineering major. I do this presentation to do my assignment in English class. The contents I will explain in this presentation is chemical kinetics, rate of reaction, reaction order, and factor influencing rate of reaction. Chemical kinetics. Chemical kinetics is the science of chemistry that studies the direction of a chemical system that are taking place at the certain time. Rate of reaction. Rate of reaction is a speed at which a chemical reaction takes place, defined as proportional to the increase in the concentration of a product and to the decrease in the concentration of a reactant at certain time intervals. The reaction rate can be determined by measuring how fast the concentration of A decreases or by how fast the concentration of B increases. For the reaction of the form A to B, the rate can be expressed in terms of the change in concentration of any of its components. The reaction rate of the reactant is equal minus the change of concentration of reactant divided by the time interval, or rate of reaction of the product is plus the change of concentration divided by the time interval. Reaction rate law. A rate law is an expression which relates that rate of reaction to the rate constant and the concentration of the reactants. A rate constant K is a proportionally constant for a given reaction. The general rate law is usually expressed as A plus B to C plus D according to the law of the reaction rate. The reaction rate equation is the rate of reaction equal to the constant multiplied by the concentration of reaction raised to the order of the reaction. Reaction is X order with respect to A. Reaction is Y order with respect to B. X and Y are called the orders for each reactant. Reaction order. The reaction rate for a given reaction is a crucial tool that enables us to calculate the specific order of the reaction. The reaction order is divided into three, namely as follows: zero reaction order, first reaction order, and second reaction order. Reaction order chart. The picture below is a graphic image of the effect of concentration on the reaction rate at the certain time interval. The order of the reaction rate equation can only be determined experimentally and cannot be derived from the coefficient of the reaction equation. On the zero order, the rate of reaction is not affected by the concentration of the reactant. On the first order, the rate of the reaction is affected by the concentration of the reactant. On the second order reaction, the rate of reaction changes squarely with the change in concentration. Factors that influencing rate of reaction. First one is the concentration of reactant. The rate of reaction will increase as the concentration of the reactant increases. 2. Temperature of the reactant. The rate of reaction increases with increasing temperature due to the increase in kinetic energy, so that collision between particles will often occur. 3 is the nature of the reactant. Certain structural characteristics of the reactant molecules, such as bond polarity, geometry, overall size, and orientation, influence the rate of reaction. In powder form, the chemical reaction will occur more quickly. And the last is the presence of the catalyst. A catalyst is substance that increases the rate of reaction without actually participating in the reaction. So the catalyst is only increase the rate of reaction without actually participating in the reaction. So that's all from me. Thank you everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Goodbye.